Hey guys, I hope and pray you are all doing well. I'm just making some almond milk and I thought I would show you how simple it is. Okay, I have almonds in here. I soaked them and took the skin off because that's where there's lectins in there, some weird thing most people don't know about. That's fine. And then I put a couple of dates in here. In this little contraption, I've got just filtered water, a little... Okay, I got cut off. There's water in there. I just sprinkle a little bit of salt in it. Put the top of the pitcher on. It's plugged in. Hit this button. It's going to run 3 cycles and it'll make the milk. I'll show you when it's done. Once that's done, you just take this thing off. And that was just kind of mixing and straining in there. And you set it down into here. And you give it a pour into whatever kind of jar you want to use. I really like this kind of lid because you can pour easily with it. It's like $10 on Amazon. We've had it for several years. Let me try that again. Okay, well, it's super durable. You can handle balls on the floor just fine. And then you just stick it in the fridge. Now, it will separate a little. You just shake it good. I'm going to show you next what's in the ingredients of regular almond milk you buy at the store. So again, just almonds, dates, salt, and water. That easy. This little thing is called an almond cow. You can order them online. You can also just use a regular blender to mix the things up and then just strain it good. I like this because it has a really fine mesh strainer. Okay, brace yourself. I'm going to show you something gross. This is the leftover almond meal. So that's just the almonds, the dates, and a little bit of salt that was left from being mixed in. Now you can bake this and put it on top of stuff, make a nice crunchy crust on top of like apple crisp or something. You can put it in your oatmeal. Sometimes I'll freeze it and then I end up throwing it away later. So I'm just gonna go toss it now. Yeah, so now here's the inside of my garbage can. Thought I'd show you that. Don't put it down your drain, okay? Like, I've had a drain backup. It's just nasty. Don't do that. You don't wanna go through that. Just give it a quick rinse and set it out to dry and you are good to go.